Hello again. Now, this is my fourth drawing that I want to share with you, which is the gear. I want to draw this gear. Okay. Now, I'm going to start off with a starburst down here. They have the 24, the 16. So, I'm going to do a 16-point starburst here, like this. Okay. And I'm going to pull this guy. Sorry, yeah. Just going to pull this guy in slightly, like this, to have that particular sharp tone. Now, once I do that, let me just change this color to a lighter yellow like this. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw a hollow circle like what you see just now, the donut shape. Draw this. You just have to make sure you hold down your shift key and it's round. So as long as they cover all the tip, that's fine. So what I'm going to do is I select the yellow color as well. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell them to align center and align middle. So this is exactly where I want them to be. So if I take this and reduce a little bit of transparent, you notice that this area is the one that I'm going to remove. So if you feel that you need more, a little bit of that, you go ahead, right? You can reduce the size and so on. This is how it looks like. All right, so now I select the yellow, I select the blue, and I just go and subtract. There you go. That's how easy it is. So I'm going to draw another circle here, like this, and I put them in the center and middle. Okay, but apparently this circle is not big enough. So in order for me for make it bigger from the center, I hold down my control and I drag. Hold down my shift to make sure that it maintain a perfect circle. Okay, so this is how I want it to be over here. I let go. So now I select all of them here. I just union it. There you go. Right? This is the blue color. But if I don't want blue, I want yellow. This is how it looks like. So I need to make a hole in the middle. I just draw another circle. Nothing too hard. Just draw another circle, a smaller one. Then align it center, align it middle. Okay. So select the yellow, select the blue, and what you do is you just subtract. Right. So that's it. Right. Now, what you need to do is just do some animation here. Okay, I'm going to add in an animation. You just start them animation. Then you go to this thing and say you want to spin. Under the emphasis, you tell them you want to spin. That's for they will spin. However, the spin doesn't last. Yeah. The spin will not last. Huh? So you need to turn on the animation pane. So that's where you are using the spin. Okay, so let's forget about the zero. Let me take away the zero. This is a one. Now I'm going to go into this thing called effects. Okay, the effect. There you go. I'm going to tell them to turn the amount 360 clockwise. Okay, and the timing is okay on click duration. How fast you want it to rotate. If I want it slow, so I put there slow. And if I want it to repeat, I say until end of slide. So when I click OK, it will just keep on rotating. Okay, so when you run your presentation, you notice that click, it will keep on turning, turning, turning. It won't stop until the end of slide. That's what it means. So if I make a copy of this, hold down my control and shift, okay, or I just hold down my control. There you go. Okay, somewhere here. Now, look, if I run the slideshow, I'm going to have a problem. I have to click here. You notice they fight. So the gear actually turn the same direction, then you're going to have a problem. So for this second gear, I'm going to tell them to, okay, go to the setting. Okay, so for this particular second circle that I'm using now, I want them to go to the effect and turn a counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, and the timing is until end of slide as well. But I don't want it to on click. I want it to be with previous. That means when the first gear move, automatically they will move. So let's take a look. So when I click, they move. All right. So I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching. All right. I'll see you in the future video.